It's our first day out at the park. He's not too happy. Oh. Do you want this? No? He was hot, so I wiped him off, and he didn't like that too much. See where? I think it's Brioni's Park we're at right now. Nice breeze. We've got Grandma here. Oh.
Pushed it for a while.
Say hi to the camera, Aiden. There we go. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.